Hey guys, it's Paul. Just a quick tip on how to delete your LinkedIn account. I'm about to delete mine because I don't use it or get any value out of it, and it's just another time wasting place. So you go to, it says me on the top bar. Go to go to privacy and settings. Click on account management. Closing your LinkedIn account. It's going to ask you for different reasons. Just put other. Don't use it. Next. Put in your password. Let's look at my computer. Unsubscribe me from all LinkedIn mail, and close account. Your LinkedIn account is now closed. Although you no longer have access to it, it'll take a few weeks for public profile to disappear from search engine. I think they basically keep it live, or not live. You could re-log in for 30 days and they'll reactivate it, but after 30 days, it'll be gone. That might not be true. It might be a week. It might be 2 weeks. I don't know. But that's how you close your account. Anybody who were friends who were connected to me on LinkedIn, you're going to find I've now gone. I hope that helps. See you soon.